will be getting a remote administration to any machine using Netcat. What we saw so far is to open Netcat from both machines and then start typing command to be able to chat or to be able to transfer file. But what if I need from my Kali Linux machine to get a command line on the Windows machine, so I can type the commands that I want and I can execute whatever program. Now, the command line is cmd.exe. So if you need to execute a command line on the Windows machine first, by opening this command line, you are typing or you are choosing cmd.exe. So here's what I can do. I can type here on the on the Windows machine nc -lvp, which is gonna open a listener on port 4444 or any port. And then I'm gonna type -e. I mean, whoever connect to this port, I want you to execute on his machine the cmd.exe. And what is the cme.exe is the command line. So what you are saying here, whoever connect to this port that I opened and I'm listening to, please execute on his shell the cmd.exe. Let's try this. Let's open a terminal here and let's type nc and the Windows computer, which is 192.168.1.109 on port 4444. Actually, we didn't execute that here yet. Press enter. He's listening. Now press enter and give him a few seconds. So he's connecting to the port. And once the connection is successful, here you go. You got a command prompted on the Linux machine. So what you done using Netcat, you were able to execute some command on the Linux machine from the Windows machine, or in a simple text, you were able to open a command line, Windows command line on your Linux machine, and you can execute here whatever you want, delete, do whatever you want. So this is an example for remote administration using Kali Linux, Netcat.